Hey Planner fam, so I wanted to do something different and creative in my classic Happy Planner, which is my catch-all planner. And I've been seeing some real creative ideas from a variety of different planner babes. And what I basically did was I took a little bit from each planner babe and created my own insert for my things to do. So if you want to see exactly what sticker books I use and to see what I actually have in the other side of this, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the stickers that I use to create my chore list and my workout physical fitness tracking sheet before I actually show you how I laid everything out. So I use these two different girls. These are icon stickers from Pink Sunshine Designs. One is for laundry and one is for cleaning. As you can see, I've used these before in my weekly spreads, but I decided to do something different. Instead of adding my regular weekly chores into my planner spread, I decided to do a sheet. So then I used my Agenda 52 sticker book, girl sticker pack. You can get these from Hobby Lobby, and these girls you can get from Etsy. They came from an Etsy store. Then I use stickers from the alphabet book, stickers from the Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays, tiny sticker book. I use both of the productivity sticker books, and I use Planner Basics. It's actually two Planner Basics. This one, I can't remember if this is the newer one or the older one, but this one, as you can see, is Get It Done, Do All the Things. The other one has a different title. So these are all the sticker books that I use to create my chore list and my physical fitness tracker. So as you can see, I have it sitting right here neatly in between my week. I have my dashboard here. So it's right here, easy access. And I put my chores on the front part of this sheet just because this will be things that I need to make sure that I see like that. What I did, I used, and I apologize for the lighting. I used this graph paper. I'm glad I didn't get rid of it or swap it out because when I first started using the Happy Planner, you got half graph paper, half line paper, and I just prefer line paper. And I was like, let's just keep it. You might use it for something, and it actually came in handy. And just a little backstory. Again, I love to watch other planner videos. I love to get inspiration from all the different planner babes. If I can tell you all of the names that have inspired me, I'd have to do a separate video. But I like watching because they inspire me to try something different, step outside of my box. I'm not gonna say that I'm not a crafty person, but typically, not unless I see it, I won't think about doing it. So I saw a lot of creative ways of doing like a insert by using just leftover planner supplies. So I decided to go ahead and try it myself. So on the front, you see my must-do list, which is my chores. And let me pop this out so I can see if I can get this closer. And it's probably gonna be able to frame some, but I'll bring it out. So I did put this little sticker right here just because this is brand new and it kept popping open. So until it's completely shut in my planner for a few days, it will probably eventually not automatically open up. But in the meantime, I just used one of these stickers that came from one of my Happy Planner sticker books. So as you can see, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Majority of these stickers came from the Agenda 52 book, and these again, you already saw where they came from, so I'm not going to be redundant. But this sticky note came out of the Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays. So as I open, this is going to be my tracker for my workouts and my water. I'm really trying hard to be more physically fit. Not necessarily for a look wise. Of course, it's a bonus where you can lose the weight and you can see it, but I just want to be healthy overall. So I just use some stickers just to kind of denote the purpose of each section. I decided to incorporate this here because I had some extra space, because I feel it's very important to track what your mood is day by day, because I can reflect back on it and see how I felt on that particular day. And I'll probably use a little emoji stickers to kind of say, ooh, sad face, I didn't work out, or happy face because I did a good job. I decided to use the individual hydrate stickers this week, and it may change from week to week because this sticker right here actually has a section that has the hydration tracker, but I decided not to use it this week. So as you can see, I just kind of cut that off and covered it up with a little yoga mat, and definitely got to get back on my vitamin kick. So this will be a good reminder to take my vitamins. So here it tells you what your weigh-in is, and this is my goal weight is. But what I did, because it didn't really give you a section to put what your weight loss was for that week, I added this sticker here. So say I weigh 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I weigh 111. I'll put this here. Of course, I'm not gonna give you that information, you know. Well, hey, I probably will, because I probably will do a midweek check-in on my social media page just to let you guys know my progress. And also, I've been trying to do this a mile a day in May challenge, so I can incorporate that in this as well by adding my steps. I don't really know if I'm gonna log my calories. What I might do is put a little sticker over this and say my miles that I did. So I'll put how many miles I did each day and how many steps. I didn't work out on Sunday. It was Mother's Day. And I'm not going to promise you that I'm going to work out 7 days a week either, but I'm going to try to do what I can do so my body can get used to it. But if you like this video, and if you have any questions about what I used or what my inspiration was, drop a comment below. And until next time, Planner Fam, peace.